both the capital and small alphabets. A. A is for alligator. B. B is for banana. C. C is for cap. D. D is for duck. E. E is for egg. F. F is for floor. G. G is for glass. H. H is for hen. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jeep. K. K is for king. L. L is for lamb. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nose. O. O is for octopus. P. P is for pigeon. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rabbit. S. S is for sun. T. T is for tree. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for water. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Z. Z is for zoo. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe for